You know, I needed an easy video this week, so I was going to do like a compilation video, but then I found these. These are like from 5 years ago, so I'm going to ride all IRT trains starting here. I'm going to do the same route I did with Fun with Numbers, and I'm going to leave one of these at each station for you to pick them up. Does this elevator smell like A and C? And that one says AC1. That one's the accurate one. All right, elevator review. It smells like a little bit like cigarettes. Kinda. It's not super clean. Dimly lit. Yeah, this is like 3.5. It's not horrible, but it's not great. EL139. Meh. Yeah, if the smell was a little bit worse, it would have granted a 3. Omnispec for MTA L Train. Thank you for joining the Patreon, and Harry Bernard, thank you for your continuing Patreon sponsorship. Caution, low headroom. How low? Oh wow, that's why they have the sign. That is low. Goodness. Okay, well, make our way to the 1 train for Fun with Numbers. Elevator. Oh wait, can I go? Is that one? Do I have? There's an actual elevator assistant. Oh, this is going down. An actual elevator operator. That's interesting. Fancy. We're in a hotel. What's on the employees only level? What's on the employees only level? Worth a try to ask.
That's the answer that takes care of. Yeah.
I was just messing with you.
Yeah, we don't.
I hear you.
Yeah, we're gonna on project over there.
Okay, have a great one. The button in front of her had an employees only level button, so I asked her about it. She doesn't know. Gotta love 168. So nice. Look at that. Look at that. Mosaic. It's just, wow. I wish it was cleaner, but it's nice. 1 train here in 2 minutes. That means we got 2 minutes to find a place to put one of our 7 magnets. Does this have enough iron in it? Nope. Iron deficient. What about, I've never tried a conductor board. The zebra. Oh, the zebra's metal. Fantastic. Nice. The conductor board is magnetic. Okay, go get it. 168 on the conductor board. On the southbound side. South Ferry bound. Bing, the 1 train. Let's go. Fun with Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if we can make this video shenanigan free, just like the OG. Oh, those foot shoes are weird to me. They're just, why? It seems like it'd feel weird. I don't know, I guess I should try them before I knock them, but whatever. 145. We gotta go all the way to 96 before we can change. City College! Alright, close it. Close it already. It's supposed to be a shenanigan-free 1 train ride. Come on. Okay, she just stopped talking. If you didn't catch that, 2 trains are running on the 5 line between Nevins and 125 Street, I think. Or Nevins and 149, and then making their way up to Wakefield. Because of a signal malfunction at Grand Concourse, 149th Street Grand Concourse. Hopefully that won't affect us, but maybe it will. Who knows? Columbia University, my old stomping grounds. I am very familiar with this station and the iron chair within it, the Iron Throne. Very cool art installation at 116 Cathedral Parkway. I keep having to move from one side to the other because people are just standing on one side or the other, and I'm like, don't want to be in their way. That's okay. We're done now. We're done moving here at 96. Excuse me. Oh dear. Conductor board worked once. Let's try it again. Hurry up, hurry up. Gotta find something. Conductor board on the 96th Street. There it is. Okay. Did it. Conductor board. Yay. 2 train. Yay. Everybody's looking at me putting up the magnets. Oh wow, this is... People are not moving in. This dude just stood here. And I need a window so I can actually aim out of it. Lots of people on the train, goodness. So right about here, the sound messed up. So, those two, I was like moving over so one girl could get in, and then like another girl also came in. They were friends. There was only room for one, but whatever. They found their way in. It's fine. Gotta make room. Everybody needs to ride the train. But like I was saying, the sound messed up here. Oh, goodness gracious, it's crazy. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I'm moving out of the way. So I'm just gonna kind of narrate what's going on here. Dude's getting his cart out, so he's making some good room for everybody. That's good. But I still need a window so I can aim out of it and go one more stop. There we go. Finally, crowded 2 train. I mean, because the 2 line is crowded. Crowded. I don't know what I said there. I guess I said I was going to put this up here on the Times Square 42nd Street sign. That dude's watching. Watch this. He sees me. He looks up. He's like, what did he just do? What is that? Arrest me, dude. Anyway. So, like I said, the microphone messed up, so no audio, just me talking to camera like I know what I'm saying. So we're going to take the 3 train all the way down to Fulton Street, and then take the 4. We're going to take the 4 one stop, the 5 one stop, and the 6 up to Grand Central, then the 7 to Hudson Yards, and that's the Fun with Numbers route. Yeah. I still didn't notice the sounds messed up. I was like, I'm going to get some announcements. Because these good old R62s have magnetic PA speakers. Lots of iron in them. They're very magnetic. They're very iron rich. Unlike the R211. There's the 1 train. Leave it behind. Man. Oh, we were waiting for that 1 train to make the connection. Whatever, now we're going to outrun it. Here we go. Fulton Street. That's me. Finding a place to put. Let's see. I'm going to put it on... This is a good sign right here. For tall people only. Alright, go get it. Now, let's switch to the 4 train. Got to go down 2 levels and under the J train. And then back up. Yep, on the other side to get to the 4-5. And we're not going downtown to Brooklyn, so we got to go through the doors here and go up a level and over to here, and here we are. And we call it a not in service train, just in time. Looks like it used to be a 4. Whatever. Here comes our 2 train on the 5 line. Well, you know what? I think we'll take the 2 instead of the 5, but we still gotta wait for the 4. Here it comes. Here's our 4 train. So we're gonna take the 2 in place of the 5. Oh! What? You gotta be kidding. There's no passengers. Out of service. Not in service train. 4 is killing me here. Bro. Okay, what do we got going on here? Okay. should be here any minute now. 6 minutes. The Lexington line is so messed up. They didn't get me my 4. This says it's a 2. Oh, never mind. It's a 4. Okay, finally, 4 train. And the Lexington line is not messed up. It's the 2 line, the Wakefield. But yeah, it messed up the Lexington line because now the 2, 4, and 5 are running Lexington Express.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Okay, 1 stop, Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall.
This is Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. Transfer is available seating 6.
Is that an abandoned platform?
This is an accessible
Or abandoned
station.
portion of the platform?
The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
Here we go. Oh, ugly rap. Ugly. Forget Hulu. You should unsubscribe from Disney Plus too. The Lexington sign is so crowded they're holding trains. I think I'll put it right here on the Brooklyn Bridge sign. I'm gonna put it right in between Brooklyn Dot Bridge. That's right. Go get it. Say goodbye to the 4 train. All right, now we just wait for the 5 train, which is actually a 2.
Uptown 2, train to Wakefield 241st Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
That's the one.
This Uptown 2 train is making express stops until 125th Street.
Nice. So we're gonna take this and pretend it's a 5 because I can't pass up a good shenanigan that's just right here. So, I have never taken the 2 on the Lexington line. I know it's happened many times, but I've never taken it. So here we go.
2 express trains via the Lexington Avenue line.
There
The
it
next
is.
stop is 14th Street, Union Square.
Attention passengers, we currently have a red signal. We'll be moving shortly. Train ahead of us.
Well, no kidding, there's a train. There's like 100
Clear of the
trains ahead of
closing
you.
doors, please.
Okay, close them already. You said you're going to... There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and get ahead of this 6th train. So I'm going to time it between Brooklyn Bridge and 14th Street. I want to go get a shot of the strip map here. Trying not to get people in the shot. But check it out. This is pretty cool. It did, in fact, light up the 5 line and not the 2. So that's pretty cool. It's accurate. Doesn't say strip map not in service. That's good. Oh wait, I also forgot to get. I wanted to get the little digital display here, which says 1:54 p.m. Wakefield. Okay, still going to Wakefield. Next stop, the 2 to Union Square. That's pretty neat. Cool. All right. Next stop is Union Square on the 2 train. Oh no! Was that I thought we left that 6 behind. Come on. Okay, that's more like it. Pull ahead of the 6. Oh, wow, we are going so slow. Okay, the 6 is passing us again, making local stops and passing us. Let's catch up to it again. Oh, this is not a good feeling when you're on an express track and basically keeping up with the 6 train here, the local. Already been 5 minutes. We actually should be at 14th Street by now. We're leaving it behind again. It's catching up again. It passed us again. Let's see, we're back again. Oh man, we didn't even get to pass it that time. This is gross.
This is 14th Street, Union Square.
Attention everyone. If you have questions,
That is one
or need to
heck
report
of a
issues
signal
to
malfunction.
the NYPD is
Messing up
located
the
at
Lexington
the
line big time. Lexington Express only. The 6 is running fine. So's the 1 on the 7th Avenue side.
6L and Q.
Okay, so are we going to make this connection at least?
Transfer is available. to
Probably
the
so,
M14.
but they opened the door.
Select cluster.
It's the same 6 train. Oh man. That was brutal. Okay, nope, not magnetic. Oh, where's a good magnet at 14th Street? Okay, here, yes. All right, go get it, 14th Street. 6th train accomplished. Well, at least I don't have to wait, like, well, being in a slow express train is just as bad as waiting at a station for bad headways. And you bet, are you serious? Now that I'm in the 6th, this 2 wants to, okay, that's more like it. Don't you pass me, 2. Seriously? What is, and now it passed me. Oh, that just makes me angry. Like, seriously. Fuming. One more. Time to make our way to the 7 platform. Drop this last magnet. Let's go. Oh, he just, slow walker just pulled right in front of me. Cool hoodie though. That's a pretty cool hoodie. All right, down we go. Below the Lexington line to the 7. Let's see. Oh, can I get it up there? Can I go for ultra tall people only? Let's see. And step and slap. Nope. Not magnetic enough. Well, that's not magnetic. Let's find another place. This big old iron column looks like a good place. Huh. Either not a lot of iron or whatever. There we go. That's a good amount of iron, and that, you just stay right there. All right, that's the last one. Go get it. Let's see, there's 7 minutes. Well, now I wish I had 8, so I could leave one at Hudson Yards. Whatever, gotta complete the fun with numbers. Hey, it's a rat. I'm gonna call him Flushing. Flushing the rat. Very small rat. Okay, editing, thank you. No waiting for you for 6, 7 minutes, whatever. Seven. Fun with numbers almost completed. It's actually not completed until we get to 34th Street, Hudson Yards. What was that? 2 more stops after this, right?
This is the 34th Street, Hudson Yards bound 7th Street. The next stop is Times Square, 42nd Street.
Back to Times Square. But this time we're going east to west instead of north to south. Come on, get through it. I'm gonna go to Hudson Yards and take the escalator. Excavator, like escalator, an elevator, excavator.
This is a reminder to take your trash with you when leaving the train and use the garbage can on the platform if you live or to a object corner.
Okay, 34th Street. Let's go all the way to the end so we can get to that excavator. I should call it an escalator, but I like excavator better. Does this excavator smell like pee? We're about to find out. You know, the vent in here is extremely loud. It smells faintly nice in here. Obviously, it's spacious. It's a one-of-a-kind New York City. Well, there's one at. Yeah, apparently there's one at the Vessel. My only gripe is, like I said, this vent right here. That is crazy loud. But hey, you know what? Still a 5-star elevator. Sorry, it's a 5-star excavator. That's right. Let's excavate up these steps. Elevate up this escalator. Escalate up this elevator. Here we go. All right, let's get out the spaceship. Through the turnstile. Up for some real escalator fun. And ladies and gentlemen, that will do it. Go get those magnets. Put them on your refrigerator. They were the last of the batch. That's all I have left. Should I make new ones? Leave them in the comments. In the meantime, leave your car at home. Take all the IRT trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.